god, Dark Buzzer. How dare you reach the worstest character in bad list. That's it. You're grounded forever. Get out of here right now. Dark Buzzer. How dare you make it to the worstest character ever of all time. That's it. You're grounded forever. And as for that, I will give you a concussion time, because you have been trying to get Mr. Game and Amp Watch and his friends into trouble for no freaking reason. Dark Buzzer, Dark Dry Buzzer, Dark Meowser, Dark Giga Buzzer, Dark Dry Meowser, Dark Fire Buzzer, Dark Ice Buzzer, and Dark Vortex Buzzer. How dare you all reach zero, which means time's up. That's it. All of you are grounded forever. And as for that, I will send you all to hell forever. No more 8 Dark Bowsers.
Used ribbon.
Oh no. We have made it to the end. And the end is the loudest and scariest scene of all. You must turn down your volume to the lowest as possible within the next 10 seconds. If you're wearing headphones or earbuds, remove them now. You must be at least 10 to continue watching this video. If you're not scared, do not show this to babies or young kids. If you do, they may cry from the loudness. If you're too scared, shut your eyes, look down away, or stop watching this video. But anyways, that's all I have to say about this warning. And the final worst test of the worst accuracy of all infinities is
7, 6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
now.
Dark Bowser. How dare you got minus 1,000,000%. The worstest of the worst accuracy of my super scores of my 1,000,000 to minus 1,000,000 scores of my accuracy list bad edition. You got the worstest of the worst punishment ever because of this. That's it. I've had enough of your bullcrap. That completely does it. You asked for it. You're grounded, 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 grounded forever. I'm your completely worst nightmare. Now, I will send you to hell forever. Goodbye forever.